For over 30 years, SaniTouch has nurtured, protected and defended you and your loved ones. As a proudly South African brand, we've partnered with you, keeping you safe from germs at every touch point of your life. Our SaniTouch range remains the preferred choice of the healthcare sector to keep patients and healthcare practitioners safe. We've long been a trusted partner to the retail sector, providing our SaniTouch detergent and disinfectant wipes, which continue to protect customers from unseen bacteria and viruses lurking on shopping trolley handles. Our wide range of cleaning cloths, wall dispensers, soaps and sanitizers assist with hygiene controls for businesses and industries. In the hospitality sector, our Cater wipes, disinfectant food-grade wipes and HACCP Zonky cloths prevent the spread of germs and bacteria both indoors and outdoors. Even in our schools and educational institutions, staff and learners rely on our alcohol-free sanitizing products to protect them. We're leading the fight against infections and viruses with local and internationally approved quality infection protection products. Our priority is keeping you safe at home, work and play. The SaniTouch family is committed to protecting you and your family now and into the future. Don't just touch, SaniTouch.